Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and boy do I have some exciting news for you today. For all of you Model S 1.0 owners, as we refer to them, those are Model S cars produced from early 2012 all the way up until mid 2016 that came with the nose cone front end on your Model S. We now have our FBR program, Front Bumper Refresh. Change the face of your Tesla Model S and make it look just like a brand new Model S. So this client's car is in here today, and what we're gonna do is take this bumper off, remove the fog lights, fog light trim, the Tesla T logo, because all those items are gonna be used when we install the new looking front bumper. And then we're gonna go off to paint. We're gonna paint our bumper, and this is gonna be a really exciting transformation. And what a great upgrade, again, for all early Model S cars. So stay tuned, we're off to the paint department. That's next. It's gonna be a really exciting transformation, and then wait till the end where you see the before and after pics. Okay, so we're at the next phase over here at a Tesla approved body shop because we are painting an FBR for one of our clients. Come on inside the paint booth, let's see how that's going along. As you can see, the bumper's being prepped by this professional and it's all ready to go. Here's one of the beautiful things about this bumper. The quality and the fitment is so good that actually it doesn't even really need primer, which is very interesting. So here we go. We're gonna start laying some paint on this, and it's gonna bake inside this room right here until it's ready, and then we're gonna put it on the client's car tomorrow. Okay, so here it is. We have just completed installing another one of our front bumper refresh kits, also known as FBR. As you can see over here, this was the original bumper that came on the car from Tesla, and we have removed the Tesla T logo and reinstalled it on the FBR right in the center in kind of a hovering position. The parking sensors have been transferred over, the lower mesh honeycomb grills, the fog lights, and the fog light trims are now all on the FBR. So this early Model S now looks like a brand new Model S. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our videos and our channel if you like what you see, and give us a thumbs up.